A future without financial worries. Imagine waking up each day knowing your financial future is secure. You don't have to worry about how you'll pay your bills or whether you'll have enough money to take a vacation. This future is not reserved for the rich or lucky. It's available to anyone who takes control of their finances today. And the secret to unlocking this future is simpler than you might think. Budgeting. But before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Budgeting isn't just about limiting your spending. It's about creating freedom. It's the cornerstone of financial success. And without it, you're navigating through life without a map. Let's take a journey together through the basics of financial control and explore how budgeting can lead to a life of financial freedom. Act 1. The Wake-Up Call. Have you ever found yourself checking your bank account and thinking, where did all my money go? Maybe you're not alone in this. Most of us have been there. You work hard, yet at the end of the month, it feels like your paycheck evaporates into thin air. This feeling is not just frustrating. It's a wake-up call. It's telling you that you need to take control of your finances. But how? It all starts with understanding money. Not just how much you make, but also how you spend, save, and invest it. In the simplest terms, money is a tool. And like any powerful tool, it can either be used to empower you or control you. The choice is in your hands. To take control, you need to understand the fundamentals of personal finance. Let's break it down. Income. Where does your money come from? This includes your salary, side hustles, passive income, and investments. Expenses. Where does your money go? Think about bills, subscriptions, lifestyle choices, and unexpected costs. Savings. Are you putting any money aside for the future? If not, why? We'll get into savings strategies soon. Investing. How are you growing your money? Or are you letting inflation erode its value? We'll discuss smart ways to put your money to work. Act 2. Building your financial foundation. Now that we've established the importance of understanding money, let's talk about the heart of it all. Budgeting. A budget is much more than just a list of your income and expenses. Think of it as a roadmap for your financial future. Without a budget, it's like trying to drive somewhere without directions. You may get there, but it's going to take longer, and you might miss out on some important landmarks along the way. So, how do you create a budget that works for you? Step 1. Track your income and expenses. Start by looking at all the sources of income you receive. Be honest with yourself about what comes in and what goes out. To track your expenses, consider using a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet. Step 2. Categorize your expenses. Break them down into categories like housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, etc. This helps you see where you're spending the most. Step 3. Set goals. Financial goals give you something to aim for. Without goals, it's easy to lose focus. Whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a vacation, your goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 4. Create a plan. Once you know your income and expenses, and you've set goals, it's time to create a plan. Allocate your income in a way that supports your goals while also leaving room for the things you enjoy. Act 3. The path to financial freedom. Congratulations, you're on your way. But let's not stop here. Budgeting is only the beginning. To truly achieve financial freedom, you need to build on this foundation. And the most powerful tool at your disposal is investing. Investing allows you to grow your money. It's a way to put your savings to work so that it can generate more wealth over time. But let's be clear, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires careful thought, research, and a long-term approach. Before you start investing, you need to understand the risks involved. Some investments are riskier than others, but with proper research and strategy, you can manage these risks. Consider these tips when beginning your investment journey. Start with what you know. Invest in industries or companies you're familiar with. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., to minimize risk. Do your research. Don't just follow the crowd. Look at a company's financials, future prospects, and the economy's outlook. Investing can be intimidating at first, but once you gain confidence and understand the basics, it becomes an exciting way to build wealth. But wealth is not just about numbers. It's also about mindset. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to adopt a rich mindset. A mindset that believes in abundance, sees opportunities instead of limitations, and takes calculated risks. One of the biggest barriers to financial success is the fear of failure. To overcome this, surround yourself with people who believe in your potential. Whether it's a financial advisor, family, or friends, Having a supportive network can make all the difference. The lifelong journey. Financial freedom isn't something that happens overnight. It's a journey, not a destination. And like any journey, there will be bumps along the way. But with discipline, patience, and the right mindset, you can reach your destination. As you continue on your path to financial freedom, remember that it's not just about money. It's about creating the life you want. The freedom to live without worry, to explore the world, to be able to pursue your passions, and to spend time with the people you care about. So take action today. Start budgeting, start investing, and start building the future you deserve. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll unlock your financial freedom. Now I challenge you to take the first step towards financial freedom. Start tracking your income and expenses today. Set a financial goal for the next month and take action towards achieving it. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. The time is now. Let's build the future you've always dreamed of.